I would love to show you how to work the configurator on all Dunn designs. This is there for you to take one of my patterns and try some different fabrics and see what it looks like if you were wanting to mix and match. So the first thing you're going to do is go to this area right here and click on it, because that connects you to the page that has all of the designs on it. Now, each one of these patterns on the page where the pattern is has it at the bottom of the page. So it works out whatever, wherever you go, you're going to be able to find it. So let's do the flat lock jacket, since that has a lot of little areas we can take and change. So what you're going to do is go into the section that you would like to put color in. And so I'm going to go to this outside, this is part of the pattern, and this is the outside edge. And I'm just going to put a red, which these have already been loaded into the configurator, so you can go and do whatever you'd like to do with those. So I've got the reds there. And now let's say I would like to take my own picture. So there's prints over here, but there's also solids, and then there's this down here, which is your fabric. And it gives you the option of going into your photo library, which if you already had put something in there from a store or something, it would already be in your pictures. So you can do that, or you can go and get your camera right there. And I'm going to go and I'm going to take a picture of this fabric right here. But I want to kind of know how far away I am. So let's say I get down here real close. It may be that the print is going to be bigger. So that's why I want to say I was only 8 inches from it, or 12 inches from it. So if you get that, and that makes the balance correct. So that is going to load right here where it says My Fabrics, and I'm going to put it right here in this section. I have to get right on it. Come on. Well, for some reason it doesn't want to go. All right, let's try it again. Try it again. Let's say I'm 10 inches from it. Maybe that was too close. Okay, so here it is right here. So I have this open to go in, and then this is my fabric. There it is. All right. Now you see how when I took the picture, it looked like it was pretty close, but that's more close to what the picture, the print is actually there, on there. And so if you want to get the other side, and it's the same prints, they're going to be under prints. So this is the one that I just did. I'm going to come over here, get it, and then I'm going to pick something to go in the center. And let's say I have already put something in here. Let's just put this. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to put it in there. And this was something that I took a picture of earlier. I don't even know what it was. And so then let's put our little print back over here. So as you can see, I have been able to bring anything that I wanted in here. And then you also have prints that are loaded. These are So Batik prints. These are from So Batik, S-E-W Batik. And so you can use any of these. Some of those are still something that they keep in stock. If I didn't like that one, I can go and put a different one in. So you can go and reload something if you wanted it. And so that gives me options so that I can see what I want to put in there. Let's go back to the solid. There's the solids. Let's put this in right here. And maybe this in right here. So you have the front and the back. And here's my prints again. So I'm going to go over here where they were. This one right here. And this one right here. And so this gives you options to see what something might look like. Be sure and when you take a picture, measure or get an estimate about how close you were to the fabric, because otherwise the design could be askew, and that's why this one is so large. This one is probably not correct because we just took it off their website and didn't have the fabric that we put in there. Thanks for watching. I hope you can use the configurator.